to be you. Been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together.
So, I'm currently waiting for my ride right now kasi papunta ako sa office namin dito sa may downtown. Yeah, apparently we're closing down na our office at the downtown. Pero the good news there is we will be forever working remotely na, working from home. Minessage ako ng HR namin kasi may mga gamit pa pala akong naiwan sa office, nasa box daw. So I need to pick it up. Kasi nung nag-pandemic, so ang kinuha ko lang sa office yung mga importante lang like my computer, my devices, my monitor, ganyan. Pero yung some personal items na, I feel like mga toiletries siguro yun, mga naiwan ko, di ko na nga maalala. So anyway, I just need to pick it up and maybe so last sight of the office before it closes down this month. Okay, so here's my office at the top. Let's go in. Let's see. There's
14th floor.
Ayan, wala na yung mga gamit. Ganda pa naman ng mga office namin, no? Never na nagamit tong office na to. Sayang. Lumabas daw yung HR namin eh. So ito, hanapin ko na lang yung box ko and looks like nakita ko na siya. This one. Label. Ako naman mag-isang cherry dito. Yeah, akin nga ito. Ganda pa naman itong office namin. Buong 14th floor eh. Tapos ito yung recreation area. Supposedly pantry. Tapos ito yung aming ping-pong table. Doon sa old office nandito na yun nun eh. And then this is the view. It's the Jasper Avenue. Shucks, mabigat din siya. Siguro itapot ko na yung iba para hindi mabigat yung daladala ko. Okay, so I'm done. Ito na. Na-reduce ko na sa ganito yung gamit ko. Bye-bye office. So, yan na yung last time na makikita ko yung office. Pero, working from home is working naman for us. So, that's why. Tsaka, syempre, malaki na titipid ng company. Work from home kami. Okay. Time for lunch na. May lounge din pala dito sa gilid. Sarap sana mag-office dito, oh. Kaya lang, hindi ko na rin bet ang downtown eh. Malaki rin ang natitipid namin eh, na work from home. Kasi yung pamasahe lang, yung baon everyday. Tapos maraming nasisave na time. Kasi pag nasa bahay, between breaks, pwedeng gumawa ng gawaing bahay, ganyan. And best of all, na gusto ko sa work from home is nakakatakas ako sa winter. So I don't have to deal going to the office anymore, commuting during winter. Then yung mga ibang office mates ko, gustong-gusto din nila kasi syempre yung mga iba nagdadrive pa, nagbabayad ng parking space dito sa downtown na napakamahal. Kaya we decided to just work remotely forever. Although meron naman silang i-maintain yata na maliit na office. Just in case merong transactions that we need to be done in a business setting. Okay, so I'll be going to 104 Street and have lunch at Misoya. Okay, here we go, 104 Street. Tapos dito naman yung dati kong office, doon kami sa 4th floor. Bago ginawa yung bagong office, supposedly nalilipatan namin doon sa Jasper Ave. So ang nangyari kasi doon, nag-pandemic. Almost ready na nun yung office, doon kami dapat lilipat. From here, nag-pandemic. So wala na. Now is the 5th year. Talagang hindi na namin nagamit. We were given options kasi kung mas gusto ba namin mag-work from home. Majority gusto work from home. So, tinapos lang yung lease na 5 years. So, now 2025. Kaya we're closing it down permanently na. Hindi ko pa na-try itong Seoul Fried Chicken dito. Pero anyways, dito tayo sa tapat. Nandun ang Misoya. Let's go, Misoya. Namiss ko to. been a year since yung last na kumain ako nito. I don't know if my memory serves me correctly. Look at that. Tapos meron siyang 3 shasu, merong isang buong egg na hati sa dalawa, meron siyang 4 na seaweed wrapper. Kain po tayo. And this is my takeout para sa mga junakis ko. Hati na sila. Okay, it's time to go home. Super contented sa food. I still have to continue my work, and then yung mga junakis ko, they're waiting for their lunch. Gusto din nila yung ramen dyan eh.